But get this, they've taken away all of the street parking in around the church and they put them as a tow-away zone. So now if the bikers are trying to park in around where their church is to be able to go practice their religion, they can't do it because it's a tow-away zone now.
And this was decided just before the event?
Yeah,
Like
so
yesterday.
2 days ago.
Yeah, no way.
Yeah. So now they're refusing the drivers, the bikers, the freedom of religion. I thought that was against the Constitution.
It is, my dear. And the good news is, there are tons of lawsuits against the government.
Well, they're gonna have another one from me because one of the cops decided he was gonna put his hands on my waist. So they're gonna get another one from me.
He said or he did put his hands around
He
you?
grabbed my waist, my wrist at first because I didn't want to move, even though I was on the sidewalk. And then when I didn't do that, he half put his hands on my ass and half on my waist.
Really?
Mm-hmm. And I have it on video too.
And I would love to see it.
I don't have it yet. Another person took it. She's sending it to me tonight.
Yeah, please do. And when I turn off the camera, I will take your email address,
Absolutely.
you know, and give you mine.
Absolutely.
Thank
No
you so
issue
much,
there.
dear.
No problem.
Oh, just to let you know, on my way here, I asked the police officers, the van that there was like 4 police officers in it, 3 women and 1 man.
Yeah.
And I asked one of the female officers, where are the bikers? They were supposed to arrive here on the hill at 6 p.m. And she said, I don't know. So like, of course, they wouldn't tell. They were good. They were polite.
No.
They were, you know, that was
to serve
it was
and protect
okay.
us, yet
But
they're the ones brutalizing us.
yeah, and why did he do that?
Because I said that I wasn't going to move 10 feet further onto the sidewalk when I was perfectly fine where I was.
And you were on the sidewalk,
I
and
was
you
on
wouldn't
the
back
sidewalk.
off.
I wasn't on the road. I wasn't on the bicycle path or anything. I was on the sidewalk. And he told me to move. I said no. And then they threatened to arrest me if I told them that if I didn't stop yelling at them for putting their hands on my boyfriend.
Yeah, it's serious. It
Her
you know,
words
it
exactly,
really went
the
off.
female cop that told me to stop yelling at them is, walk away, you're about to get arrested. For telling them to stop assaulting my boyfriend.
Yeah, well, that's the least you can do.
Again,
you know,
I
like
was on the
people are
sidewalk
together
too.
in it. Huh?
The cop assaulted me because I was on the sidewalk and I put the camera a bit towards their face, and then he pushed me back. Again, I was on the sidewalk, and it looks like they were only taking people off the road over there.
Yeah.
So I don't get why me being on the sidewalk taking a video
Is an
would
issue.
bother them so much.
Because they knew probably what was coming. You know, the people filmed, they take videos from their cell phone and they post
It's
it on
possible that
on social medias.
They feel bad being here and they don't want to see their faces on camera.
No, that's exactly it.
They can just quit and get another job. If they do not agree with what they're being forced to do, they have other options.
Exactly.
It's not as if they don't have any other options. They have the option to quit. They just decide not to. So whatever harm, whatever guilt they are having inside them, it's purely in their own making.
Yeah, and from there, it's not too late to make the right choice.
No.
For now. To be on the right side of the law.
No.
There you go. The actual law.
Yeah, the actual law, the real one, not the
Not the
unlawful orders.
one.
Yeah, my name is Manon.
My
by the
name
way.
is Liuba. Nice to
My
meet
name's
you.
Zach.
Zach and Liba.
Liuba.
Liuba. Ah, nice to meet you.
Nice to
So
meet you
thanks
too.
for your testimony.
No problem.
Thanks for
I
being
will.
here.
Yeah, okay, no problem. I will see you later.
See you later.
Absolument.
Yeah, he touched the water.
His great
Oh, see how cool that
The fire is still burning in the maple leaf. Oh, that's awesome.
Oh, deeper than what I thought.
Eee.
This was about 5 inches.
Ah.
5 inches.
Ah, it's so warm here. I will go check on these guys over there. Freedom! Freedom! Up. Freedom! Eh? Freedom! Freedom!
Doing what I'm told! Liberté!
Yeah!
He knows what's best for you! Don't ask any questions! Liberté!